want to show you a plant that I'm working on at the moment, which is the Castor Oil Plant, Ricinus communis, and I managed to get it just the day before we went into lockdown. So it's an amazing plant to work on. It's so much fun. So here we've got the yellow pom-pom, which has got all the pollen there, the male flowers. And then next to them, can you see the bright pink? They're like little starfish. Aren't they brilliant? Those are the female flowers. And underneath the bright pink starfish effect is the little spines developing, which turn into the seed pods. And so the leaves are the most amazing colour as well. My goodness, they've got copper tones and clarets and most beautiful colour tones. But when they're new, they're shiny. Look at that. Isn't that fabulous? So they're shiny when new, and then they sort of get a more of a matte finish. And some of them have got greens through them, and some have got all these lovely coppery tones through them. Look at that as a colour. Isn't that stunning? Isn't that fabulous? That's looking shiny, but it's because it's wet. And so these are the developing seed pods here. And again, some have got the green through them, green tones through them, and then others have got the more, like the leaves, they've got the more claret and maroons. But what a depth of colour, isn't that fabulous? These are going to be great to do. Complicated, but fun. These are the drying pods of the castor oil, which split along the seam between 3 seeds. And as they dry in the sun, they almost, it's like a little explosion going off, and they crack and fling the seeds out. So I've had seeds ricocheting all around the studio this morning. But they have the most beautiful patterns on them. But you have to be very careful because they're poisonous. So beautiful but deadly. So that's the castor oil. Great fun. Fabulous to look at, but don't eat them. I'll just pan across here and show you the painting developing. So this is the castor oil painting just starting off, and we've got male and female flowers at the base there to show the dissected bit, and then up further to the male and the female, my bright pink starfish up there. So I used a quin rose as the base colour on the starfish, and then across. This is going to be such a colourful painting and so much fun to do. I've got to get the variation in colour, and then up to just mapping out where the seed pods are going to go up there, and then at the base we'll put some of the lovely seeds themselves with all the fabulous patterns. So this is going to be a colourful one, and I will show you the progression as we go through. Great fun. Whoa.